gather at the river where bright angel feet have trod, with its crystal tide forever flowing by the throne of God. Yes, we'll gather at the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints at the river that flows by the throne of God. On the margin of the river, washing up its silver spray, we will walk and worship ever on the happy golden day. Soon we'll reach the shining river, soon our pilgrimage will cease, soon our happy hearts will quiver with a melody of peace. Soon we'll gather at the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints at the river that flows by the throne of God. We'll gather at the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints at the river that flows by the throne of God. That flows by the throne of God.
Salamat sa inyong pag-anhi. So, giunsa man pag-form sa inyong group aning God's Daughters o kanus ara ni siya na form?
Since we're first year, ma'am, nana may friends before. These are the old members of the GD. This is Sarah Felbangis. This is Jang Liento. Or ako din si Hannah Dale. So before we have friends, first year students, 2012. And then nagbuo ang group and then we named it officially just 2014, 2015. Ano sa to? No, yeah, 2014 kaan God's Daughters as God's Daughters.
Wow, so bago pag yuday kaayo ni ang ilahang grupo, no? Pero gwapo na kaayo sila paminawon. Salamat sa inyong pag-ani. So, how do we contact you kung for example gusto na mo nga mag-concert mo? Borrow lang with mic.
Yeah. Koan.
So, unsaanan mo pag-contact ganun gusto mo sa God's Daughters nga mag-concert sa among church?
Nami page, ma'am, God's Daughters.
Namoy Facebook page.
page.
Oh, so, muadto lang mo dito sa Facebook page sa God's Daughters kung gusto ninyo sila ipa-concert or ipabisita sa inyong church. Sa laing pero ato pa ni silang pagadunggon unya. Okay? So, dili na mabalaka kay daghan patang mga songs nga ato nga pagadunggon unya from God's Daughters. Sa laing bahin, unya na pud makakat-o na pud ta og mga tips unsaon ang pagpahimsog sa ato ang kalawasan. Kauban si Miss Leila sa Health Bits.